Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video shares my personal experience using Skrill. Skrill, found at www.skrill.com, offers a digital wallet service that empowers users to send and receive money internationally. It's a particularly popular platform for online gaming, forex trading, and general e-commerce transactions, due to its speed and often lower fees compared to traditional banking. Setting up a Skrill account is generally a straightforward process, requiring standard personal information and verification procedures to comply with financial regulations. Users can link their bank accounts or credit-debit cards to their Skrill wallet, facilitating seamless transfers to and from the platform. One of Skrill's notable features is its prepaid MasterCard, which allows users to access their funds directly at ATMs and make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. This provides a tangible link between the digital wallet and real-world spending. While Skrill offers a convenient way to manage online finances, it's crucial to be aware of potential fees and limitations. For example, there might be charges associated with currency conversions, withdrawals, or inactivity. Users should carefully review the fee schedule on Skrill's website to understand the costs involved. Furthermore, understanding the specific regulations and limitations related to your geographic location is essential for a smooth experience. Skrill operates under stringent security protocols to protect user funds and information, employing measures like two-factor authentication and advanced encryption. However, like any online platform, users should also take precautions to safeguard their accounts, such as using strong passwords and being wary of phishing attempts. Overall, Skrill provides a valuable service for individuals and businesses engaged in international transactions. Its speed, convenience, and integration with various online platforms make it a compelling option. However, it's essential to be informed about the associated fees and security measures to ensure a positive user experience. For more in-depth information and to explore the platform yourself, be sure to check out the link provided in the description below.